So you deleted TikTok after the ban happened thinking it was going to be permanent, or you're a victim of the TikTok deletion prank, which again, I don't know why anybody would try to do that to you. But look no further, you're not going to have to go on eBay and find a $12,000 iPhone 13 with TikTok already installed on it. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install TikTok outside of the app stores on Android and iOS. Now for Android, it's going to be a lot simpler than iOS just because Android is more open source than iOS is. And pretty much all you're going to have to do is download an APK file for your Android device. But for iOS, depending on how new your device is, all you're going to have to do is download an IPA file. Now I'm going to start off this video by going step by step with Android, as that is the device that I'm familiar with. Now what you're going to do is pretty straightforward. You're going to open up your settings and then search for install unknown apps. And once you do that, this should pop up. It should be under the category apps and under the subcategory special access. Go ahead and click that. Then once you get into the page, go ahead and check off Chrome and also Google Drive. Sometimes the APK files that you want to download are going to be stored on a Google Drive, so the links that you might click on it might redirect you to a Google Drive, so it's just good to have this checked just in case. Now, if you don't see these options, you might have an older device and you might have to click the developer options. If you don't know how to unlock the developer options, I'm going to link a video to how to do that right in the description. Now, once you have everything set up, you want to go to up2down.com where the APK file is located. And I will have this linked down in the description along with all the other links that you might need for both iOS and Android users. And you can always tell that the APK is legit by the version number. As you can see, TikTok was updated not too long ago on January 23rd. So if TikTok doesn't get back on the app stores real soon, we might have to start doing this to update TikTok before it gets real buggy. Also, I'm pretty sure that APK files on their own don't update automatically, so it would probably best just to download the app store up to down, so that way not only will the app store update by itself, but all the apps that you downloaded through this app store will also update, right? And I believe this app store is not owned by an American company or any country that is banned on TikTok. Now with iOS, it is a little bit more tricky, as if you have a newer iPhone, you should just be able to download IPAs directly and just go into your settings and trust the application and it should work. But if you have a older iOS device, you might have to get a IPA manager. So I will link that video tutorial in the description for you guys if you don't know how to do that already. But for most of you guys, there should just be like a setting just like how Android is, and you just have to select download untrusted applications or something along the lines like that. But again, if you don't know how to do it or you can't find the setting, like I said, I'm gonna have a tutorial linked in the description of this video. So go ahead and like and save this video, go watch that tutorial, and then come back to this video. But if you're all set and you got everything set up, this is the place to go for the IPA for TikTok. It's the most trusted one that I've seen so far that I've done research on, and also it's the most up-to-date, as you can see, and you can also see the compatibility. And you can also download previous versions, as you can see right there. I'm gonna have this linked in the description as well. And that's pretty much all you have to do to re-download TikTok. I hope this video helps, and if it didn't, leave a comment and I'll see what I can do if I can help you with certain things. And I'll try to fix the problem that you're having with your device. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully TikTok comes back in the United States for us, or whatever country that you're in if TikTok is blocked in your country. Thank you and have a blessed day.